All right, guys, let's talk about tonight's homework, and it's dealing with sentences. And incidentally, for your blue ribbon challenge this week, we're going to do sentences and fragments and run-ons, right? Complete sentences, fragments, and run-ons. So this right here is what you need to know, right? So we know that that a sentence needs a what? It needs a subject and a predicate. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to bundle into my screencast today. It's going to be this little guy here. So here we go. You'll have this also tonight. If you want to review this video, it'll be there. Here we go. Let's refresh it. Let's do that. Let's just get crazy with these refreshing things here. All right, ready? Here we go.
What? This is my room. But why are there fish everywhere? My room smells like fish. Well, I know that, but why are there fish here in the first place? Dear Tim and Moby, can you show me how to identify the subject and predicate parts of a sentence? From Mark. Every sentence is a subject and predicate that together form a complete thought.
Right.
Take the sentence, my room smells like fish.
All right, let's look at this sentence. All right, who can tell me who or what the sentence is about? In other words, I want you to identify the subject. Raise your hand, raise your hand. Who got lots of people in here? Gannon. No. Who or what are we talking about in this sentence? What's the focus? McNish. No. You left that subject a little short. Yes. My room is the subject. What are we talking about? We're talking about, everyone, my room. Okay, now. So we know that my room is the subject, right? We know that my room is the subject. Hold on. So now, what about my room? Wait, first of all, could I do this? My room, period.
No.
Is that a sentence all by itself?
No.
No, because you're like, what are you asking yourself? Wait a minute, what is this person talking about? What about his room, right? Or her room? You can't just say my room. We need the predicate to tell us about the subject. We need to know what, who, or the what is doing, right? We need to know something more about my room. So what is the predicate? So if the subject is, the complete subject right here is my room, and it is, what would be the complete predicate? Raise your hand, come on. Drayden. Smells like fish. What about my room, Drayden? It what? This is the predicate. All right? All right, now, which one of you can tell me then what the simple subject is? First of all, where are you going to look for the simple subject? What side of the red line? In the subject, right? So where is the simple subject, Clarky? The simple subject is not my. The simple subject is going to be what? Huh? The simple subject is going to be room. And by the way, the simple subject is also a noun. Right. Simple subject is room. Who can tell me what the simple predicate is? The simple predicate. Who can tell me this? Let's see, I got to change my color up here. I'll go with an orange. Okay? Who can tell me what the simple predicate is? First of all, where are you going to look for it?
On the predicate side.
Sharpie, simple predicate. Smells. So, guess what? Right here. This is going to be the simple predicate, and it's going to be what?
A verb.
Verb. So when they ask you to give you the simple subject, you're really looking for a noun within the subject. And when they ask for the simple predicate, you're looking for the verb inside the predicate, right? There's the complete predicate. There's the complete subject. Now, typically, the simple predicate is going to come right after the what?
The simple.
Right after the simple noun, or right after the subject, okay? That is how we're going to diagram our sentences today. Everybody see this?
Yeah.
Got it? Let's see what they say about it. Watch what happens when they identify the subject. Watch what happens to everything else in this picture. Here we go.
The subject is the part of the sentence that tells us who or what the sentence is about. This sentence is about my room, the room belonging to me. So
What happened to the fish?
Fish.
We don't know that his room smells like fish, so the fish disappear, right?
That's our subject. The predicate is the part of the sentence that tells you something about the subject. What the subject is, what it's like, what it does, what it has, whatever. In this sentence, we're saying that my room smells like fish. So smells like fish is our predicate. Well, the simple subject and simple predicate are found in the subject and predicate, respectively. The simple subject is usually just a noun or a pronoun. In this case, it's room. Not my room, just room.
Right?
The simple predicate is the verb. In this sentence, our verb is smells. Let's try another sentence. Moby fishes in the neighbor's pond.
All right, let's break this down. Who could tell me the subject? Quickly, the subject. Yeah, Gannon. No. It's just the subject. Try it again. Just Moby. Okay, the subject. We're looking at just the subject, right? Yeah, I want to actually do lines that you can see that. So, there it is. Now, who can tell me, so that's the subject, right? Just Moby. All right, I'll put that on there. Who could tell me the complete predicate? Who could tell me the complete predicate? What about Moby, or what about that? Go ahead. Yeah, James.
Fishes in the neighbor's pond.
Fishes in the neighbor's pond. That is, in fact, the entire predicate. Now, who can tell me the simple subject? Simple subject. Jewel, go ahead. Guess what? It is going to be just Moby, right? The simple subject is Moby, and that's also a...
Noun.
Right. How about the simple predicate? Simple predicate. First of all, where are you looking for that? Go ahead, Drayden. Fishes, very good. Drayden Keebler, on point today. Simple predicate is the verb, right? So, there you have it, folks. All right, now, here's the million-dollar question. If you need a subject and a predicate, right, or a simple subject and a simple predicate to make a complete sentence, let me ask you this. Is that a sentence?
No. Yes. Yes. It could be.
Defend yourself. Why?
Because it's got a subject and a predicate.
It's got a subject, Moby. It's got a predicate, fishes. Yes, Moby fishes is a
Just
complete
like
sentence.
I left.
I left. That's a complete sentence. All right, now let's see what they have to say
Our
about it.
subject is Moby. Our predicate is fishes in the neighbor's pond, because that's what our subject, Moby, is doing. Our simple subject is Moby, same as our subject. And our simple predicate is the verb fishes. I guess the real question is, why are you fishing in the neighbor's pond? And why?
I just want to show you that. All right, I wanted to skip it ahead. All right, so there we go. So now we're going to look at our homework tonight real quick. All right, so we need a subject and a predicate. Take a look. For number 6, here's how you're doing the first 4. I'm going to do the first one for you. It says read the sentence, then circle the subject, underline the predicate. We're not doing that. Here's what we're doing. You're going to break it down. So break this first one down for me like we just did on the video. The library opens at 10 o'clock. Who can give me the subject on that one? Drayden. The library, right? That's the subject, right? So to put an S there. Opens at 10 o'clock. The library opens. What's the predicate? Raise your hand. Come on, Killian.
Opens at 10 o'clock.
That's the complete predicate. All right, where's the simple subject? Grant Corson.
Library.
That's the simple subject. Where's simple predicate? Keebler. Man, Keebler's on point. 3 claps for Keebler. All right, you're going to break those down just like that, okay? This one, you'll fill in the blanks. That's easy. Same thing for this one here. We're going to break these down. Ready? Jeremy spoke clearly into the microphone. Give me the complete subject for that sentence. Papia. Jeremy, yes. The complete subject is Jeremy. Give me the complete predicate, Papia. Spoke clearly into the microphone. That's the predicate. Simple subject. Who can give it to me? Simple subject. Yeah, go ahead. No, simple subject.
Oh,
Jeremy, yeah, simple subject. And then what's the simple predicate? Spoke. Simple predicate. All right, that's how you're breaking it down tonight. Everybody understand?
Yes.
Then on this one it says, I studied spelling words. So they want you to write the subject. Well, we know the subject is I. And then you would do studied the spelling words over here, okay? You guys understand that? All right, man. That's a kind of a long screencast, but that's okay. Tadero out.